Okay, here I want to show you the treasuries. Here are the treasuries and how you add the parts that you get from dragons or monsters sometimes or treasure goblins. You always get pieces like this and you can upgrade your treasures like that. So this is fully upgraded as you can see. This is for cavalry. Need that, and we got another 6 left. We can take them here. And now we got 20 and we could open this, but it's better to first finish a star because you get the buff skills earlier. It does not matter if you're equipped with this tool or not. When you got the stars done, you get the buff skills. And this setting here is for more action points recovery. And this is for cavalry speed plus 8%. And here too, cavalry speed plus 8%. And this is for cavalry defense plus 4 now. And I found out, or we found out, that it's actually better to use treasures where you already have done the stars and upgraded them instead of using the mystic ones where you don't have a star or anything done yet. Yeah, that's actually how it is. We tried that out a couple of times, and you can also actually see it here. Some people don't even give shit about this, but you should actually take care about that. Okay, that's about the treasures. And as I said, cavalry is one of the most important ones you need in this game, and speed is everything. The faster you are, the more troops you can send.